Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Revolut card. I know that a lot of you are interested in using Revolut, but you're not sure how to get started. So, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of activating your Revolut card. I'll also cover some of the things you need to know before you activate your card. So, let's get started. Do you want to be able to use your Revolut card anywhere in the world? Do you want to get cash back on your everyday purchases? Do you want to be able to send and receive money instantly? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. Revolut is a great way to manage your money, and it's even better when you have a Revolut card. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial products and services, including bank accounts, debit cards, and currency exchange. Revolut cards are available in a variety of different colors and designs. You can use your Revolut card to make purchases online and in-store. You can also use your Revolut card to send and receive money to friends and family. Revolut cards are accepted in millions of locations worldwide. Now that you know a little bit about Revolut, let's get started with activating your card. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. If you don't have the Revolut app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Tap on the Cards tab. Step 3. Tap on the Activate Card button. Step 4. Enter your card details. You will need to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Step 5. Verify your identity. You will need to provide a photo of your ID document. Step 6. Confirm your activation. Once you have completed all of the steps above, you will need to confirm your activation. Step 7. Start using your Revolut card. That's it. You're now ready to start using your Revolut card. I hope this video has helped you to activate your Revolut card. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.